Evelyn Marroquin, and I am a rec leader from the City of Santa Maria Recreation and Parks Department. And today we're going to be making snowman cocoa bombs. And today we're going to be working in the kitchen, so we are going to be working with some heat. So I'm going to show you some safe ways to make your cocoa bombs. Okay, so what you're going to do is going to put the chocolate into a bowl, and you're going to put it in the microwave for 30-second increments, okay? Make sure you have a towel because the bowl will get hot. I'm just going to stir it just so it can get liquidy, okay? So you kind of want this consistency. Alright, so now it's time to put our chocolate in our mold. So what I'm going to be using today is a kitchen brush. You can use a spoon, whatever you like, but today I'm going to be using a brush. So you're going to lightly coat your brush or spoon, and you're going to lightly cover the whole mold without filling it up, because you want to be able to put your hot chocolate or whatever you want to put in the middle. Not too thin, but not too thick, okay? I'm going to go over this again. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go over them one more time so that they all have an even coat. I'm just trying to put them all. Alright, so now that our mold is complete, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. Be back. Okay, so once you get your mold out of the refrigerator, you're going to carefully take each out, okay? Okay, we're going to pull it out. And what you're going to want to do is clean the edges, just like breaking them off like that. See how easy that is, okay? Okay, once you have both sides cleaned, you're going to go to the stove and we're going to melt the sides. Okay, and you want to do this pretty fast. And you're going to walk over and get your hot chocolate. Pour some hot chocolate and marshmallows to your liking. And then you're going to close your bomb. And it should get melted. There you go. And then you're going to want to go over the seam with your finger to smooth it out. And it looks like one bomb. Alright, now it's time to decorate our bomb. Today we're going to make a little snowman. Okay? So what I'm going to do is going to use the same chocolate to use as our glue. Oops, that's probably too much. Just a little bit. Then you're just going to put it on just like that. And the chocolate will dry and it will stick. And this is going to be his smile. Like that. Now you're going to get the orange sprinkle and use it for his nose. Okay, and then to finish them off, we're going to put some eyes. And then there's your snowman. Okay, once you heat up your milk, you're gonna wanna put your little snowman balm in your cup, and we're gonna melt him away. It smells so good. Okay, stir them up. And there is your hot cocoa bomb. And your hot cocoa is all ready to go. It's the perfect way to stay indoors and have yourself a good treat. My name is Evelyn Marroquin. I'm a rec leader from the City of Santa Maria Recreation and Parks Department, and I'll see you next time.